that glass half empty each time you look in the mirror. It's like the more you're trying, your flaws start showing up clearer. You bleed emotions so devoted to what people say. So sick of hoping, so you focus on all your mistakes. Stop changing, there's nothing to fix when life's a war for you. That's when your pulse becomes the proof. When you're a little messed up, when you're a little unwell, and nobody understands that you are going through hell. Right here like this, right now, you are enough. When you've been broken and bruised, because the past has been tough. Being human is what makes you something worthy of love. Right here, this sick, right now, you are enough. So don't give up. With every passing stranger, you find something that you're missing. So kind, accept to yourself, you're anything but forgiving. You bleed emotions so devoted to what people say. Give second chances left and right and only take the blame. Don't change a single thing, cause there is nothing wrong with you. What do you feel now? Don't make it truth. When you're a little messed up, when you're a little unwell, and nobody understands that you are going through hell. Right here like this, right now, you are enough. When you've been broken and bruised, because the past has been tough. Being human is what makes you something worthy of love. Right here, this sick, right now, you are enough. Stop chasing something that you're never gonna find. Already perfect, but your past has left you blind. So when the voices in your head ain't being kind, here is something to remind you. When you're a little